Let me show you something cool. Something that shows up in food, in games, in money, in measuring everywhere. They are called fractions. Let's start with something simple. Imagine you have a whole pizza. It is one full thing, no pieces, just one complete pizza. But now, imagine you want to share it with a friend. So, you cut the pizza into 2 equal parts. This is where fractions begin. Now, if you take one of the parts, you no longer have a whole pizza. You have 1 part out of 2. We write that as 1/2. We say it like this, 1/2. This is a fraction. A fraction is a number that shows just a part of something, not the whole thing. What are the parts of a fraction? The top number is called the numerator. It tells how many parts you have. The bottom number is called the denominator. It tells how many equal parts the whole is split into. So in 1/2, the word 1 is the numerator. That means 1 part. The word 2 is the denominator. That means the whole was cut into 2 equal parts. Another example, imagine you have a chocolate bar. You split it into 4 equal pieces. Then someone comes by and takes 3 pieces. Do you still have the full chocolate bar? We write this as 3/4. We say it like this, 3/4. That means the chocolate bar was divided into 4 equal parts. And someone took 3 of them. This is what a fraction tells us. How much of something you have out of a full whole. A very important rule. Fractions only work when all the parts are equal. Let me explain why. What if I cut something into 2 parts, but one part is very big and the other is very small? If I give you the small part and say, here is your half, is that really fair? Even though it is 1 out of 2 pieces, the 2 pieces are not the same size. That means it is not really a half. So here is the golden rule. Fractions only work when the parts are equal. Let's say I have $8. I want to share some money with my best friend. So I give my friend $3. The fraction of money I gave is 3 out of 8. We write it as 3/8. Let's try a few more. Imagine something is split into 4 equal parts. If you take 1 part, that is called 1/4. If you take 2 parts, that is called 2/4. If you take 3 parts, that is called 3/4. In every case, the denominator tells how many total equal parts the whole was divided into. The numerator tells how many of those parts you have. That's the end of our lesson. Now you understand fractions. They tell us how many parts we have out of how many equal parts the whole was divided into. And always remember this. The parts must be equal. That is the secret to all fractions. Thank you for learning with Pink Grade. Keep going and stay pink.